Wow. I don't know what your grandfather or your grandparents could have ever do to you for you actually kill them. Like, it's crazy. It's beyond me. Okay? This is crazy. And the headline says, teenager charged with murdering his grandfather in St. Andrew. A 19-year-old who was apprehended on Sunday in connection with the death of a 72-year-old man who was said to be his grandfather has been charged with murder. The police reported that the body of the senior citizen Errol Seaburn, a former of the Burnside Hill Red Hills in St. Andrew, was found in a shallow grave. The Constant Spring police reported that the teenager Sahamar Graham was slapped with the murder charge and is to face the court at a date to be announced. Seaburn was reportedly last seen alive last Friday morning. Relatives who have been preparing for a funeral of another family member later noted that his absence from the setup or night on Friday and the funeral on Sunday, which they submit to have been unlike him. So that wasn't like him to miss a funeral or a night. On Sunday, when one of his nieces went to Seaburn's house to make checks, she was reportedly told by Graham, who had been living with Seaburn, that he had not seen him since Tuesday. But the niece detected a foul odor in the home and raised an alarm. When a check of the premises was conducted, the exercise led to an area where fresh soil was seen and one of the dead man's hand was found protruding from the dirt. Honestly, I feel like he definitely should go to jail. Like, you're living in this man's house who is your grandfather. You're eating up his food. You're using up his electricity. You're using up his water. You're using up his sources or resources, and then you turn around and kill him. Like, how heartless can you be? And this is very sad, and condolences go out to the family, both the person that's dead and the person that's son is about to go to jail for murder, because you're not only losing one family member, you're losing two. One is gonna go to jail and one is dead. So basically, you're going to be mourning the loss of two family members in one. And that's very heartbreaking and heart-wrenching for a family to deal with. Not only the family that's dealing with it now is going to be affected, but the community that they live in, the people that they're associated with, their friends, family, relatives, associates, people, like, everybody is going to be affected. And that is crazy. Like, these millennial kids are totally different than the kids of yesterday or the kids back then. I don't know if it's because they're growing up in a different time, the 21st century, which exposed them to a lot of negativity, and they can find anything on the face of God's land on the internet, and they're just exposed to way more, and they're not protected as much or monitored as much. But it's crazy, literally crazy. Like, what can your grandfather do to you to warrant you to kill him and then bury him in a shallow grave? I don't understand. And there's no excuse that anybody can give me to justify his actions. You know, people are talking about maybe they rape him, maybe they abuse him. He's 19 damn years old. If that was the case, you go report him. Make sure you have evidence of it. And then you walk away. But craziness. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this story in the comment section. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Deuces. And please participate in our couples challenge video. The video detailing what it's about and how to do it is on the channel, and I'll link it in this video. So, deuces. Bye. My son is waking up. So